Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner Technical Services. Welcome to our Tips and Troubleshooting video series. In this video, I'll show you a couple of common things that might be causing your Flexio paint sprayer not to spray. Two important parts allow air to reach the paint and force it out of the nozzle: the air tube and the suction tube. The air tube is on the side of the sprayer's front end. Air travels through this tube and into the material container. When cleaning your sprayer, it's important to make sure the air tube is clean and free of paint. The tube can be removed and cleaned by turning the air valve and removing the tube from the sprayer. Note that when opening the air valve at the base of the tube, there's a small blue thumbtack-shaped seal inside. That's called the check valve. Be careful not to lose it. Place it back inside the valve before reassembling the tube onto the sprayer, with the pointed end of the seal facing upwards into the tube. If this seal is missing, the seal is in the wrong way, or the tube is clogged, your Flexio sprayer will not operate correctly. A second and very important part of the Flexio sprayer that allows air into the paint cup is a small air passage through the suction tube. Unscrew the container from your sprayer and pull the suction tube downward and away from the sprayer. With the bent angle of the suction tube facing the left as you look at the tube, locate the small pinhole on the ridge under the gasket. Dried paint can clog the pinhole, preventing the paint cup from becoming pressurized. Using an unfolded paper clip, push the dried paint out of that hole. Cleaning this pinhole after each use will ensure your sprayer works properly on your next project. I hope this video helped you. If you need more help, watch our other help videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat with us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.